Yeah, me know it. Look, it have a shorts underneath it. It have a stocking underneath it. It have a... So what is your problem, miss? What's your problem? No, you mustn't do that, man. You mustn't do that. You see, my outfit me can't wear. You all know, you know, wearing me still my outfit. Don't do that. How me do what, miss? Where's me look out? You know how behind you look. You look nice. What me? You want to fuck me? You look nice. You want to fuck me? I want. Me say if you want to fuck me. So we are watch me behind my shorts, my pants for. Where you watch it for? You want to fuck me, woman? Your blood clot. Leave me alone. Me a superstar. You want to know that? Super blood clot star. Me famous in every country. Go so cocky old girl. Mind your business. Fucking bright. Go so cocky, me say. Go bet. Listen, go repent for the cocky that me a suck in the hole. Make me take cocky. You get enough. Make me get some. Make me get some too, mama rascal. Make me get some too. When I want my pussy suck, me no want fuck too. Go on. Fuck out of here. Me say, girl, you want can't take the whole of the hood, them go on and leave me alone. You want to mess with scotch bonnet pepper, I burn in your ass. Girl, leave me alone. On the black people so fast. Me there at every country for all over there. All about the place, you're too fast. You take all the cocky, them, you don't want me get none. Make me fuck like how you fuck too. Make me fuck like how you fuck too. Make me feel who no be old till me retire and can't take no more. You're jealous of me. Make me wear me sitting in peace. Fucking bright.